Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Today we will take a look at this big breakout from this down channel once again, and we will also watch this breakout from this falling wedge pattern on this 4 hourly time frame, and there is also an expected inverse head and shoulder formation as well, and we will also watch the expected higher low move that is being formed on the weekly time frame chart as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this daily time frame chart. And here in my last video, I was telling you that it is very important for Bitcoin to break out this $40,000 level to start any big move from here, because even though we have broken out this resistance of the down channel, but we have a strong resistance, a price resistance from $35,000 to $40,000, because at $40,000 we have this EMA 21 daily, and $39,500 is a very strong resistance zone, and the price line is so far not able to even break out the $39,500 resistance level and the EMA 21 that we have at $40,000. And we can see that previously this resistance line has been breaking as a very, very strong support here, resistance here, and support here for the past several days from May 2021 to June 2021, and here it had been breaking as a resistance, and we also have this EMA 21 at the same place. Now if we switch to the 4 hourly time frame, then even though we have broken out this resistance of the falling wedge pattern, but still we are not able to continue its move, and here we have also found another resistance level here. You can see the price line is struggling to break out this uptrend line resistance from here, and this is also an expected inverse head and shoulder. You can see that we have formed this left shoulder, and this is the head, and now we are likely to form the right shoulder. If the price line will drop more from here, then that will be I'm expecting that will be the right shoulder formation, because so far it is perfectly forming this head and shoulder pattern. And in case of breaking out this inverse head and shoulder pattern, that is a bullish pattern, because after breaking out we can expect a big move from here. So in case of breakout, even though our target for this falling wedge is $44,000 approximately, but after this breakout, the target for this head and shoulder pattern will be approximately $46,000. Now if we switch back to this daily time frame, then our target for this down channel is approximately here at $68,000, and for that we need to first just break out this resistance of EMA 21 and this price level resistance, and also this resistance of inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. Now if we switch to the weekly time frame, then we can see, if we watch the most recent trend here, then price line formed this low. Another low is expected to be formed higher than previous low, because we are at the end of the week, and if the candlestick will be closed here somewhere, then there will be another higher low than previous low will be formed, and we can expect that the price line will form another higher high than previous high. Now if we take a look at this stochastic on the weekly time frame, we are the stochastic is turning bullish. We have received a bull cross, and the value is above 20, so it is turning bullish. But if we switch to the daily time frame, then it is turning bearish and going to give again a bear cross, like this blue line is going to cross this orange line. So in the short term, we may have a bearish move for the completion of this right shoulder of the head and shoulder pattern, and on the long term we are still turning bullish. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.